So I was working on my program. I was thinking about doing multiprocessing stuff when I noticed something funny, and I had to modify my program a little bit to see if this problem really was as bad as I thought it was. So the fifth graph on the bottom there originally was for it was for keeping track of how many images are being stored in the motion blur buffer. And you saw before in the last video that that was constant. I modified it now so that instead it shows how many frames have been generated since the last output. And you can see that every once in a while it'll jump down or it'll jump up, which to me is an indication that there's discontinuities. So I modified my program that plays back these animations to compare the last frame to the current frame, and you can see every once in a while there is a jump, there's a gap. So like the dark spots on the right there, those indicate the spots where the particles were originally, and the lighter spots are indicating where they were afterwards. And sometimes there's you can see every once in a while there's a gap there. Let's see if we can catch another one here. Hang on. Any moment now. There definitely has been one, at least one already. There's one. There's another. Then again, if there is one discontinuity, it tends to show up on the next one anyway. Just because of the nature of this the way it's comparing the current frame to the last frame. The point is that this is something I'm gonna need to fix. I'm guessing it's caused by rounding errors, and I'll probably need to do fixed point decimals to fix this. I don't know though. I'll have to do some more experiments. Anyway, yeah, thanks for your time.